started about 35 years ago, really energetic, wanting to make a difference in the world. And I had been asked to go to San Francisco, where the Office of World Affairs was located, where it first started. And I walked in, and they had this big old poster, and it had these 3 critters in there. They were like raccoons in a basket. And it said in the caption, "There are those who make things happen, those who watch things happen, and those who say, 'What happened?'" Leadership to me would be all 3. Making, to be able to plan, to have a focus, and whatever the mission that you are in, the company or in the organization or in the church, it's that you must be able to move forward. You're that drive, you're that engine, you're the one that's gonna get everybody on board. The watch, now in this case, the way that I believe the person who created that poster made it, intended to be that these are people who are just sitting back and watching what you're doing. Not gonna help. But I think in a leadership role, you need to watch. You need to watch in another spectrum in terms of you watching what's going on, monitoring, make sure everything's on target, right? And the last one, the people say, "What happened?" That you can do. Now, how could I use that in a sense of leadership? The way I flip it is that you as a leader, when you get your people so energized, you get them all encouraged, you get them to the point that their confidence are built up, that they complete their mission. You come out and say, "Wow, what happened? You did it! Everybody, we're going to celebrate." That builds the encouragement of that individual to say, "I can do it."